did it go? Once upon a time there was a sheared shopkeeper called Markan. He was a friend called Mihir who had saved lot of money. Mihir was came to go on a pilgrimage, but he did not know where to leave his previous savings. So he came to Markan's shop and said, "Friend, I trust you more than anyone. Please look after my life's savings till I return from my pilgrimage." Markan pretended to think seriously, then said, "No, money spoils relationships. What if something happens to it when you are not there? You will not longer be my friend." As Meher stood there thinking about this, an old woman entered the shop and brought things. One of the boys helped Markan give her less change than he should give. Markan saw this and threatened to scold the boy, then ordered him to return the remaining money to the woman. Mihir, not knowing this was an act put by Markan to make him believe in his honesty, was convinced. I have decided. I will leave the money only with you." Markan smiled. "Then let us do something. Let us take a bag of coins and bury in a place about which only you and I will know. That way, even if something happens to me when you are gone, you will know there is a money." Simple Meher thought this was a good idea, and two went to hide a bag in a secret place. Meher left the next day on a pilgrimage. Happy his savings were in safe hands. 6 months later, Meher returned. He dumped his luggage at home and went to dig out his bag, but even thought he searching. There was no sign of bag anywhere. In panic, he ran to Markan, who was busy in his shop. When Meher asked about the bag, Markan pretended to a surprise, "But I did not even go to weigh all these months." "Why do not you search for it again?" he said, putting on his most innocent look. Meher had no choice but to believe him. Sally made his way home. On the way, who should he meet but the old woman he had seen in Markan's shop. Seeing his face sad, she asked him what the matter was. Meher told the whole story. Then she smiled and whispered a plan to him. Not longer after, the woman came to Markan's shop carrying a big box. "Brother, I heard you are a good and honest man. My son went on pilgrimage many months ago and has still not returned. I am worried and I have decided to go look for him. Will you after look my box of 200 gold coins while I am away?" Markan could not believe his luck. He about to launch into his idea about digging the box, and when an angry Meher entered the shop. Where is my bag?" But before he could complete the sentence, Markan, afraid of his and accused to in front of the old woman, said quickly, "I forgot I had seen some pigs digging around there, so I removed the bag just to keep it safe. Here it is." And he handed Meher the bag that he had stolen many months back. Now the old woman pretended she was seeing Meher for the first time. "Son, did you also go on a pilgrimage? Tell me, did you meet my son anywhere? Meher, clutching his previous bag, said, Yes, auntie, I met him on the way a few villages away. He was on his way home. He should be there in a week. The old woman leaned over and took her box away from Margaret. Thank you, son. You have saved me an unnecessary trip. Now I will need some more money to prepare for my son's welcome, she added to Meher, and two left the shop there holding their boxes. Markham and could only stare at them open mouthed.